All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make a Twitter icon and superimpose it over this. Let me show you how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my browser. I'm gonna go to a Twitter icon. I just typed in Twitter icon. So let's see what images we have for Twitter. I'm gonna go, ooh, I like this one right here. So let's go ahead and click on this. I'm gonna right click on it. Everything I save goes to my desktop. I've already preset it up for that. Go into your browser settings and set it up for that. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. You notice it's gonna save as a JPEG, right? So we're gonna work with that. Let's go ahead and minimize this. Now you notice this JPEG is got a white background. We don't want to go with the white background. We want to go ahead and go with the transparent background. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to transfer this into a transparent background. So go to remove.bg, remove background. Upload it. Now this is a free service. Double click on your icon, it's going to upload it, and it's going to turn it into a transparent background. You notice how it has these little things here behind it, right? I'm going to go ahead and hit download, and again it's going to go to my desktop. You notice it's now transparent. I'm going to go ahead and right click and delete that one for these purposes. I want to make things a little easier for myself. So you notice this is a PNG, not an icon, so I can't use that on this. So I want to turn that into an icon. So I'm going to type in icon creator, and I'm going to go to icon creator. It's going to be icon, create icons from PNGs and JPEGs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now what I want to do is I want to change a PNG to a JPEG. So we're going to go PNG to icon, or PNG to an icon. So we're going to go there, we're going to upload the image, which is going to be this Twitter image. And I'm going to click convert now. Click convert, click download. Now it puts it on my desktop. And if you notice, now it's an icon. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this one here because it's not needed. I like to keep my desktop tidy and clean. So we're going to go ahead and right click on this. We're going to left click. We're going to left click on customize. We're going to left click on change icon. We're going to left click on browse. And there you go. There's my icon. Double click on it. We're going to click on OK. Again, this is all left clicking. We're going to click on apply. We're going to click on OK. And there it is. There's my folder. So it's that easy to put an icon on your folder. Now you kind of need to experiment with this because sometimes what you're going to do is you're going to find something like YouTube here came out really nice. But when you reduce the pixel count immensely when you turn it into an icon, sometimes it doesn't look as good, so you want to kind of experiment. In this case, this looks good. It's floating. It looks great. It doesn't have that white background because I removed the background before I created the icon. It's kind of how you want to do it. So it's that simple to get everything done. Now, keep in mind, if you delete that original folder, it's now going to go back to where it was before. What you want to do is you want to put that original picture, the icon picture, in safekeeping in whatever folder you create. I suggest you put it in something like My Documents, something that you won't go into very often, and then from there you can bring it over here by, again, right clicking, left click, and then you want to click customize, and you want to click change icon, and then you're going to browse for it. Now since I no longer have it because I've erased it, it's no longer there. But that's kind of how I did it. What I did was I put a special folder containing this YouTube icon. That way when I erase it from my desktop, it's still there. So anyway, it's that simple. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them down below. And as always, if I can help you save a few bucks, I will help you save a few bucks.